Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your AirPods and TV are ready. Put the AirPods in the case and open the lid. Press and hold the case pairing button until the LED flashes. On the Sony TV, navigate into Bluetooth settings. You need the TV scanning right away. Once the TV is actively searching, the AirPods will appear as a discoverable device. This direct start saves time and avoids hunting through menus later, so make sure Bluetooth is enabled and your AirPods are flashing. You now select the AirPods name on the TV and confirm pairing. The TV will show a connected status. Once connected, switch the TV audio output to Bluetooth or headphones so sound routes to the AirPods rather than built-in speakers. Make sure to adjust volume on the TV first, then fine-tune with your AirPods, because some Sony models limit Bluetooth volume control. If video and audio drift, use the TV's audio delay or lip sync setting to resync. You finish by testing different apps and HDMI sources to ensure the AirPods stay connected across inputs, and then note behavior. Some apps or HDMI devices can force the TV speaker back on. If your Sony lacks built-in Bluetooth, connect an optical or 3.5mm Bluetooth transmitter to the TV and pair your AirPods to that device. If pairing fails, remove or forget the AirPods on the TV, reset the AirPods, and check for TV firmware updates. These steps resolve most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.